Yeah, hi guys. Welcome to Cytpoway channel, and I hope you have been learning quite a lot from the tutorials on here. Today, I'm going to show you around the Kucoin cryptocurrency exchange. I'll show you how you can use Kucoin application comfortably. Either you use an iOS mobile phone or you use an Android mobile phone. So just so you know that Kucoinapp is a top 5 cryptocurrency exchange after Binance and Gate.io. So to use Kucoinapp, you have to first download Kucoin from the Google Play Store app or the Apple Store. You download Kucoin, you sign up an account, and then you set up two-factor authenticator to protect and secure your Kucoin account. So the first step now is I'll explain to you different features at the bottom of the Kucoin app. The first button at the bottom of the app is the home button. It displays to you the top gainers and top losers of the day. It shows you the ETF, it leads you to the community, and of course the Kucoin bonus. After the home button is the market button. If you click on the market, you are able to search for different trade pairs on the Kucoin app. And then there is the trade button. Under the trade button, you get to trade, either you buy or you sell on the Kucoin application. And if you notice, under the trade button, we have the spot trade, we have the margin trade. After the margin trade, we have the fiat trade, and then there is the trading bot. Have you used the trading bot before? Would you like to use a trading bot on Kucoinapp? That will be for another day. After the trade button, you have the futures button, where you can trade futures on the Kucoin exchange. And then you have the asset button. The asset button is one that is going to show you your cryptocurrency account asset. Either you are holding Tron token, USDT, 1-inch token, or Bitcoin. So going forward, I'll show you now how to deposit on the Kucoin app. So to deposit a coin on Kucoin, the first step is to open your Kucoin app. You click on assets at the bottom right corner of the app. Then you click on deposit at the top. You click on deposit. Then you have two options. It is either you search the coin you want to deposit, or you take a scroll until you get to the coin you are going to deposit. So just click on any coin you want to deposit, click on TRX. You read the instructions as regards staking TRX on Kucoin. After reading, I understand it, so you click on I understand, and then you continue. So on Kucoin, there are a couple of notices there for you to read before you deposit a coin on Kucoin. It says only TRX should be deposited to the address, and so on. So after reading the notice, you click on copy address, and then you go to your external wallet to send the token to Kucoin. After depositing your coin, of course, you have to trade. And to trade on Kucoin, it's also easy. You open your app, you click on market. For this trade, I'll trade TRX. You search TRX. You can click on any TRX pair, but for this I'll be clicking the TRX USDT pair, and then click on the sell button. If you look through here, you will notice that I have no available TRX, nor do I have USDT. On Kucoin, you have to first transfer your assets from your wallet to your spot account. To do that, you have to click on the wallet button, how to transfer your assets from wallet to spot account. You click on assets, then you click on transfer, click on TRX, then you transfer your assets from the main account to the trading account. So that's how I have sent my asset from main wallet to trading wallet. So to trade now, you go back to market, you find the TRX USDT pair, click on sell, then you check the market order. You can pick anyone, or you wait few seconds, minutes to study the price movement before you buy or sell. I've picked the market price. I'm selling all, so I'll click 100%, then sell, and enter my trading password. That's how I have sold TRX for USDT on the Kucoin app. Also, to buy, all you have to do is click on buy TRX. Select a market price, then buy all 100%. I have placed another. That's how to buy and sell on the Kucoin application. Similarly to withdraw, you follow the first step as we have done earlier. You click on asset, you click on withdraw. You have two options. You either search for the coin you want to withdraw by scrolling, or you input the alphabet. Then you click on your desired coin that you are to withdraw, and then you must remember to read the notice on the withdrawal form. As you can see, it's quite easy. You have to provide a TRX wallet address to withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is 2 TRX, which means you must have more than 2 TRX if you want to withdraw. After that, you fill the form, you confirm, and input your 2 FA. It's very easy to withdraw as well. This is all about the Kucoinapp: how to trade, how to deposit, how to withdraw, or how to transfer tokens from main wallet to the trading wallet. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more beautiful content like this.